Lilian, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make a cootie catcher. This is an example of a cootie catcher. It's a fun game you can make and you can play. So first step, you get all your supplies. You get 4 markers with different colors, 1 pencil, and 1 scissors. First thing first, you fold your paper like this. Then you take your scissors, cut it on the edges of the paper triangle. Then you put the waste away. You open the paper. You get an equal square. Then if you want it to be really neat, you fold it like this into 1 small square. Then you open it. You fold it on the squares. Like this. There should be 4 triangles. And they should make a square. You flip it over, repeat the same exact steps. Let's go! It should look like this. And then, if you want to, you can make the game. You take the colors. You take a marker, open it. You draw a circle. Each circle represents the color that I'm using. Presto! Now, you flip the paper over. You write numbers 1 through 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you open the paper like 1 paper triangle like this. You see, it's a big triangle with a line in the middle. So you take your pencil, you write any feeling you want, like happy, sad, angry, annoyed, anything you want. Kazam! Then you close the paper triangles again. You flip the paper over. You fold it into 1 square. Then You take it and hold it like this, and then at first it will be crumbled, and then you can fix it with your fingers. Now you have your own Cootie Catcher. Congratulations. This is how you play. You ask your friend, which color do you want to choose? Brown. You ask which number? 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which number? 3. You open it. See what you got. She got annoyed.
Not fair, not fair.
Bye, guys. You learned how to make your own Cootie Catcher and how to play. Bye.